Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Junry Malinge, or just for me, Teacher Junry, a licensed professional teacher major in mathematics. Ako po ay gumagawa ng mga Tagalog math tutorial mula grade 7 hanggang grade 11. Ito po ay tulong at dedikasyon para sa mga magulang, sa mga magtuturo, at lalo-lalo na sa ating mga kabataan. Ayan, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to like and share and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga bagong video na ipapalabas. Stay tuned! Magandang araw, muli ako po si Teacher JM. Ngayong hapon tatalakayin po natin nagmula sa grade 6, grade 7, and grade 8. At ang topic po natin ngayon tungkol po sa fraction. Bago ang lahat, ibigyan muna natin ang kahulugan ng fraction, mga types of fractions. Ano ba ang fractions? Fractions ay a number that expresses part of a whole, subject, or a set of objects. Alright, so for example, we have 2/4, 7/4, 1, and 2/5. So those are the following fractions. Okay, what are the kinds of fractions? Give me one. Yes, very good. So we have proper fractions. Another. Improper fractions. Great. Next, we have mixed fractions. So now, what do you mean by proper fractions? So proper fractions, what do you mean by proper fractions? If the denominator is greater than the numerator, yan po ay tinatawag na fractions. Magbigay ng halimbawa tulad ng 2/4. Another, 1/5. Next, 10/20. So those are the following examples of proper fractions. Okay, how about improper fractions? If our denominator is less than to our numerator. For example, do you know what is denominator and numerator? For example, this one, we have a fraction, 2/5. So where is our denominator? Ayan, in these two numbers, where is our denominator? Our denominator is number 5. Okay, how about our numerator? Alright, so this is in the upper side. So this is our numerator. Nakuha. Okay, again, what is improper fractions? Improper fractions if our denominator is less than to our numerator. For example, give me an example. So we have 7/5. Another, 3/1. Next, 10/7. So those are the following examples of improper fractions. Nakuha. Okay, let's proceed to the mixed number or the mixed fraction. So mixed fractions. Ano nga ba ang mixed fractions? A mixed fractions is what? Mixed fraction is a fractions that what? It's a fractions that have a whole number, a fractions that has a whole number, and a proper fractions. Meron tayong whole number at saka proper fractions. For example, we have 2 and 3/5. So these are the mixed fractions. So ito is a whole number, and this one is a proper fractions. How about this one? 3 and 7/15. Let's proceed. So our topic for today is about addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, addition and subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fraction. Okay, bakit dalawang operation ang ating ginagamit ngayon? Kasi ang addition at saka subtraction ay what? Pareho lang sila ng rules sa pamamagitan ng pag-solve natin. Okay, for example, magbigay tayo ng example. So let's say 1/4 plus 2/4. Okay, addition of fractions. So what kind of fraction is that? That is proper fractions. Ayan, that is like fractions. Why is it like fractions? Kasi ang ating denominator is the same. If ang ating denominator is the same or pareho, ibig sabihin, i-direct natin siya pag-add. Okay, ano ang dapat natin gawin? So, i-copy lang natin ang ating denominator or sa baba. So, we have, anong ating denominator? We have 4. Next, what will you do? So, i-divide natin. Alright, so what will you do? So, ang ating numerator or sa taas, i-add natin directly. So, 1 plus 3, that is, 1 plus 2 rather, 1 plus 2, that is 3. And now, i-check natin kung ma-reduce ba natin ang ating sagot. So, 3 over 4, can we reduce to the lowest term? Hindi. So, ibig sabihin, ito ang ating final answer. Nakuha. Okay, another example. 2/4 2/8 plus 4 over 8. Ayan, 2/8 plus 4 over 8. So, ibig sabihin, same sila ng denominator. I-copy lang natin ang denominator, which is 8. Tapos, i-add natin ang numerator, 2 at saka 4. So, 2 plus 4, that is 6. Now, can we reduce to the lowest term? 6 over 8. Alright, can we reduce into? Divide both side by what? 2. Okay, so we have 6 divide 2, that is 3. 8 divide 2, that is 4. So, the correct answer is, or the final answer is what? 3/4. Nakuha. Okay, how about this one? So, how about this one? 2/3 plus 3/4 equal. What have you observed? Our denominator is not the same. So now, what will we do? We're going to, anong ating first rule? We're going to find our LCD. So what do you mean by LCD? Least common denominator. Alright, so now, what is the least common denominator sa 3 and 4? Okay, the least common denominator sa 3 and 4. Ayan, so, hanapin natin yung common denominator nila. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Make sure that you memorize the multiplication table of, because it's very important to us to find our least common denominator or the LCD. So we have 4, 12, 15, rather 16, and 20. So now, what is the least common denominator between the 3 and 4? So we have number 12. Okay, so now, what will we do? So, ilagay natin sa baba or sa denominator. Next is, ang ating denominator is i-divide natin doon sa ating first na fraction sa denominator. So, 12 divided 3, that is 4. And then, ang sagot natin, i-multiply sa numerator, which is 4 times 2, we have 8. Nakuha. Okay, next. 12 divided 4, that is 3. 3 times 3, we have 9. So, now, since our denominator is like numbers or like fraction na same na sila ng denominator, say copy natin yung denominator. And next we have, i-add natin ang numerator. So 8 plus 9, we have what? That is 17. Is it the final answer? Yes, this is not our final answer. So now what will we do? We are going to reduce to the lowest term. So we have, paano natin ma-reduce to the lowest term? What kind of fraction is this? Improper fractions, kasi ang ating denominator is less than sa ating numerator. So, paano natin ito i-reduce? Sa pamamagitan ng i-divide natin yung numerator sa denominator. So, let's say we have, ayan, 12 divide 17, that is 1, times 12, okay, 7 minus 2, that is 5. So, now, ang ating sagot ay 1 and 5 over 12. Paano natin ito ilagay? Pananglit yan ang ating sagot. So, ang ating, ayan, yung nasa taas, yan po ang ating isulat muna, ang ating whole number, so 1. At ang ating remainder, ayan, ang ating remainder is 5 over, at ang ating, ayan, yung nandito is yung ilagay natin sa denominator. So, this is our final answer. Nakuha. Okay, another example. 5 over 6 plus 6 over 6. So, 5 over 6 plus 6 over 8. So, we have ang ating LCD. Ano ang ating last common denominator sa dalawa? So, we have 6, 12, 18, 24. So, 8, 16, 24. So, we have 24. So, ilagay natin dito sa denominator. Next is 24 divided 6, that is 4. 4 times 5, that is 20. 24 divided 8, that is 3. 3 times 6, that is 18. Next, i-add natin 20 plus 18, that is 38 over 24. Okay, next, can we reduce to the lowest term? Yes, can we maka-reduce tayo sa lowest term? So we have by what? By 2. So, divide natin by 2. So, magiging 38 divide 2, that is what? So, 19. 19 over 24 divide 2, that is? Ano? That is 7. Is it our final answer? No, this is not our final answer kasi ang ating numerator is bigger than sa ating denominator. So, ano dapat natin gawin? So, gawin natin as a whole fraction or the mixed fraction. So, now, 19, ayan, 7 divide 19, that is what? Ilan to? So, that is 2. And 2 times 7, 14. 9 minus 4, that is 5. So, nagiging, anong sagot natin? So, 2 and 5 over 7. Nakuha. Okay, let's proceed to the subtraction of fraction. Okay, subtraction of fraction. For example, we have 1/2 minus 2/3. Okay, 1/2 minus 2/3. So 2/3 minus 1/2. Okay, now, since our denominator is not the same, so we're going to find the value or our least common denominator, the LCD. So we have, ano ang LCD ng 3 at saka 2? We have 6. 6 divide 3, that is 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. 6 divide 2, that is 3. 3 times 1, that is 3. Next is, we have, copy natin denominator. So, tapos ang ating numerator, subtract natin. 4 minus 3, that is 1. So, this is our final answer. So, how about this one? Ayan. 2/5 plus 3/5. Ayan, rather, subtract. 2/5 ayan, 4/5 minus 2/5. Okay. So what have you observed? So ang ating fraction ay same ng denominator. So now, ano dapat natin gawin? Direct natin. So copy natin yung denominator is 5. Next is ang ating numerator is subtract natin directly. So 4 minus 2, we have 3. So this is our final answer. Di ba? Ang easy lang. Do you have any question? Any more clarification? Last example. Last example, we have 6 over 8 minus 3 over 4. So what is the LCD between the 8 and 4? So we have LCD nilang dalawa ay 8. Okay, so 8 divide 8, that is 1. 1 times 6, that is 6. 8 divide 4, that is 2. 2 times 3, that is 6. So now, subtract natin. Copy muna natin yung denominator 8. So 6 minus 6, that is 0. Ayan, so 0 divide 8, that is what? 0. Okay, do you have any questions? Alright, so that's all for today. Meron kayong napupulot na aral sa ating tutorial sa araw na ito. Ayan, see you sa my next vlog. Bye-bye. I'm back. Ayan, kung nakatulong po ito sa inyo, please like this video at mag-comment na rin kayo sa baba. It's me again, Teacher JM, laging nasasabi, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, at mag-aral na mabuti para sa may magandang kinabukasan. See you sa my next vlog. God bless and goodbye.